Hi guys, a very warm welcome each and everyone on Supergrad Cat YouTube channel. We have been discussing that आपके ये top 50 B schools होने चाहिए, ये 100 होने चाहिए, but exam wise we haven't disclosed and discovered till that. So in this particular episode of Supergrad Cat, what we are going to do, we are going to explore the exam wise top B schools in India and what are those exams that are must write for each and everyone so that you can multiply your chances and get inside these top B schools. So without any further ado, let's get started. But yeah, वो भूल गया मैं आपको बोलना. Subscribe Super Cat because a lot of informative things are coming in over here, right? Chalo. So let's start with CAT. Yes, the king of all examinations. So we'll be talking about the top 5 institutes that you can actually target via CAT examination that includes none other than the best B school of the country, IIM Ahmedabad. That would charge you somewhere around 27.5 lakh rupees for the period of 2 years. Average of this particular institute last year was around 35 lakh rupees and legendary alumni network, case-based learning, completely like Harvard B School, top recruiters, MBBs, Big Fours actually land up inside this best institute of the country. And Bangalore is not far behind, number two in India, but is ranking number one in many international rankings. So I'm Bangalore. The fees over here is also 27 lakh rupees, and the average or mean package was very close to IIM Ahmedabad, 35 lakh rupees. Also, you can check the strong consulting, tech placements, location. Bangalore is creating, a lot of rush over here. Not only that, some of the insider news also tells us that at this point of time, the peer and the batch of IIM Bangalore is better than IIM Ahmedabad, right? And Calcutta at number three, and a fantastic institute that would charge you somewhere around 25 to 27 lakh rupees. And the average package over here also lands up from 33 to 36 lakh rupees, like the other two schools. USP is the finance powerhouse over here. Yes, it is called Choka. And finance, if you're actually considering finance, analytical roles, strong analytical roles in corporate finance hiring, then and Calcutta sometimes beats Ahmedabad and Bangalore as well. Top three colleges via CAT. Now the fourth one over here is I'm Lucknow, and fees over here is 20 to 24 lakh rupees, depends upon the cohort. Average and mean package over here lends from 31 to 33. Last year it was 32 lakh rupees. USP is the balanced strengths across consulting, finance, and operations. I'm not named FMS over here, but yeah, FMS also stands at number five alongside I'm Core because it's the ROI king. And after ABCL, you can actually eye at one institute that is FMS Delhi that you get via a CAT examination. It's the ROI king of the country. And after that, you can target I'm Core that charges you around 20 lakh rupees fees. And the average or the mean pay package last year was 28 lakh rupees. And one of the well-known names when you come up, when you actually look inside the down south, South India for the B schools. So top 5 or 6 institutes via CAT. Now, after that, let's look into those via XAT. So when you talk about XAT, then the XLRI Jamshedpur charges you bit on the higher side around 29 lakh rupees. When I'm mentioning fees range over here, it's talking about all the programs that are being run by that particular institute, not only the PG flagship course, all right? So, and the medium over here last year was 29 lakh rupees. USP, number one institute in HR in the country, strong GenMen placements as well, excellent recruiter relationships, and primarily Tata owned things. So XLRI, is very well known in the HR segment. Immense alumni base inside the Tata companies as well. Exam Bhubaneswar is the second best choice, but way lesser than XLRI. In fact, I would also suggest after XLRI Jamshedpur, you may look up to XLRI Delhi, and the placements over there are centralized. So Jamshedpur and Delhi stand the same chance. Then Exam Bhubaneswar that charges you somewhere around 12 or 13 lakh rupees, and the mean package over there was 19 lakh rupees. Strong diversity in sectoral hiring, consulting, analytics, improved corporate outreach. After exam B, you can check Goa Institute of Management that charges you somewhere around 15 lakh rupees. Average package also very good, 16 lakh rupees. And USP's domain strengths in healthcare, analytics, tight industry ties, and boutique campus. After I go into management, let's look into the next set of colleges also. But before that, I would highly recommend each and every one to check our CAT and OMETS test series batch, the CAT 2025 mini mock test series batch on toprankers.com. Link of the same has been given in the description section. 10 fantastic mocks for CAT because CAT बहुत पास आ रहा है and CAT 2025 mini mock test series, the actual pill that is going to sure shot help you in getting your dream marks for the CAT 2025 examination. So I'll highly recommend that you should be actually looking at the free tests that are given inside this particular bouquet of tests so that you can purchase it later and actually fulfill your dream. Very, very affordable, just 299 bucks only. You can check the link in the first comment or in the description section below. All right. Now, let's move ahead and continue our discussion. The fourth best college via Z is MICA, the only college that is a niche king for advertising and marketing. Okay, fees for different programs ranging from 15 to 18 lakh rupees. Average also something from 15 to 20 lakh rupees for different programs. If you are looking up to the roles like communications, advertising, marketing, then this is the actual college that you should land up into. All right. After that, IIM Ghaziabad, an old and a very trustworthy B school. Fees for different programs range from 10 to 15 lakh rupees. Mean and average lands somewhere from 16 to 18 lakh rupees. Large recruiter reach, multiple campuses, good ROI, and a fantastic and old college, IIT Ghaziabad. After that, NMAT. So we talked about CAT, we talked about XAT, now NMAT. Top 5 schools, if you are writing NMAT 2025, the number one is NMIMS Mumbai, no doubt. We all look up to that particular institute. Fees 24, average package 27 lakh, strong recruiter network, high ROI, diverse specializations as well. But many of you don't know that Tapni Manipal also accepts the NMAT score, and the fees over there is 18.6, and the average package is also quite high, 14 lakh rupees per annum. Excellent ROI, strong alumni network, diverse specializations. KGS Som also accepts NMAT, and 18 lakh is the fees over there, and somewhere around 12.5 lakh rupees is the average package. Also, this is a very old and renowned institute. Strong industry connections and diverse specializations is also, if you have looked up to things. IFMR Chennai, IFMR GSB Chennai. I'm sorry, it's written FMR over here. IFMR Chennai, fees 17 lakh rupees, average package is 13.5 lakh rupees. Strong finance focus, excellent ROI. In fact, I was told that it's one of the greatest research-based institute inside the country from the Dr. Manmohan Singh times. So this was known for that particular segment at that point of time when Dr. Manmohan Singh was the Prime Minister of the country for the research aspects. You can look into that research as well. All right. NMIMS Bangalore, 18 lakh rupees is the fees that's being charged by this institute. So one of the branches of NMIMS Mumbai inside Bangalore is offering the package of 14 lakh rupees and truly strong recruiter network and high ROI. After NMAT SNAP, and SNAP is having some fabulous colleges in the country inside Pune. Number one being SIBM Pune. So, fees 26, but average package also considerably high. Very, very strong brand value, diverse specializations, high placement rate. Then there is one HR college, SCM HRD College, Pune. The fees over there is 24 lakh rupees and average package also standing very tall, 23.71 lakh rupees per annum. And it's supposed to be the third best HR college in the country after, if I can name, XLRI, TIS Mumbai, and then SCM HRD. Okay. Strong HR focus, excellent industry connects. Then if you're looking for operations management, then SIOM Nasik, 18 lakh rupees is the fees and average package 12.38 lakh rupees as on date. Strong operation focus, excellent ROI. SIIB, if you're looking for international placements or international studies or international business study, then fees is 20.07 lakh rupees, average is 13.12. SCIT Pune also is a decent college, not a very good, but a decent college. Strong IT management focus and high placement rate as well. Then Maharashtra CET is the next exam that you must be writing after CAT, XAT, and MAT and SNAP. And this is also a looked up to call examination. JBIMS stands very tall. I'm sorry, the fees is updated is wrong. It charges you somewhere around 7 lakh rupees. An average package over here is 28 lakh rupees. Strong brand, excellent ROI, very high placement, but cutoffs are also very, very high. Okay. Simsri Mumbai or Sydenham Mumbai charges you around 4.3 and average package over here is 15.19 lakh rupees. Then the on third Pumba Pune charges you very less. Yeah, average fee is less on the lesser side, but charges you very less. So becomes a good option. After Pumba, you can actually look after the colleges like Wellinkers Mumbai and SIS College of Management Studies, Nerul Navi Mumbai. Some fantastic colleges that are looked up to if you're writing Master CET. After that, CMAT. Via CMAT also you get chances of JBIMS, Simpsri, Mumbai, Pumba, as well as you can get options like Wellinkers and KJ Som as well. So these are the six best exams that you must be writing. And after that, you can get inside these top-notch institutes for every exam. Go back and check whether you are preparing for these top-notch institutes, how your scores are getting reflected for each of the examinations. I'm Rahul Vaswani, now signing off. We'll be coming up with something fruitful in days to come. Highly recommend each and every one to join our Telegram channel, Instagram channel, and subscribe to Supergrad Scat YouTube channel for more fantastic content like this. Thank you. Thanks a lot.